In today's video, I will teach you how to create a square photo collage in Gimp. Let's get started. Creating a square photo collage in Gimp is a fantastic way to compile multiple images into a visually appealing layout. Let's go through each step in detail. First, launch Gimp and create a new image. You can do this by going to File, then select New, or simply press Ctrl N. Then select the width and height to 3000 pixels each. Then choose Transparency for the Fill With option, and click OK to create the new image. Now, we're going to show the grid. You can display the grid to assist in aligning rectangle shapes for the collage. You can do this by going to View, then Show Grid. Then configure the grid by navigating to Image, then Configure Grid. Then adjust the color, spacing, and offsets as desired. Then enable Snapping to Grid for precise alignment by selecting View, then Snap to Grid. Now, select the Rectangle Select tool from the toolbox. Then click and drag your mouse to draw a rectangle on the canvas. The selected area will be outlined by dotted lines. Then create a new layer to contain the rectangle shapes. To do this, go to Layer, then New Layer, or simply press Shift-Ctrl N, then name the layer, and choose Transparency as the fill type. Then click OK to create the new layer. Now, ensure that the background color is set to white by pressing the D key on your keyboard. Then go to Edit, then select Fill with Background Color to fill the selection with white. Now we're going to shrink the selection to create a smaller rectangle within the original. To do this, go to Select, then Shrink, and set the desired shrink value. Then click OK to apply the shrinkage. Now, choose a gray color to fill the shrunken rectangle. To do this, click on the background color box and select a gray color. Then go to Edit, then select Fill with Background Color. Then remove the selection by going to Select, then None, or simply press Ctrl D. Now we're going to duplicate the rectangle layer to create additional squares for the collage. To do this, select the rectangle layer in the Layers panel. Then go to Layer, Duplicate Layer, or simply press Shift-Ctrl D. Then select the duplicated layer in the Layers dialog. Then use the Move tool to drag the duplicate rectangle to the desired position using the grid as a guide. Now, repeat these steps to duplicate the rectangle layer as many times as desired, arranging them to your satisfaction on the canvas. Now stack the images above the rectangle layers to insert them into the collage. To do this, select the rectangle layer to which you want to insert an image. Then go to File, then Open as Layers, or simply press Ctrl-Alt-O to open the desired image. Then resize and reposition the image by using the Scale tool and the Move tool. Then toggle the visibility of the images layer. Then use the Select by Color tool by going to Tools, Selection Tools, then by Color to select the inner gray rectangle layer. Then click on the Images layer, then toggle the visibility of the Images layer again. Then go to Layer, then Add Layer Mask, then choose Selection in the Add Layer Mask dialog. Then remove the selection by going to Select, then None, or simply press Ctrl D. Then, repeat the same steps to insert and mask all other images in the collage. And once you're satisfied, you can save your project file in Gimp's native file format XEF by going to File, then Save. You can also export your image in a widely used format like JPEG or PNG by going to File, then Export. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.